Got my keys, got my name on a lease. Actually, I kind of hate it. I'm definitely gonna miss living in the 11th. I'm going to the 16th arrondissement, which is like known for being kind of posh and like old rich people live there. It's actually the first neighborhood I wanted to live in when I was in Paris, but ever since I've been coming in my late 20s and early 30s, like I really loved the 10th, 11th arrondissements, but my office is all the way over there. The commute from the 11th to the 16th is so gnarly, you guys. Like I can't stand it. So we're moving over there, now I can walk to work and I'll have more time in the morning and hopefully just better mental health overall, not having to take the train multiple times a week for an hour each way. And more time to record and share my life in Paris. But yeah, I'm excited to finally have my name on a real lease and not have to leave somewhere. This is my third move since I've been in Paris. Okay, well, ignore all the very mal-packed bags. This is the infamous wall that you've been seeing me record on. It's really fucked up, as you can see. I didn't have anywhere else to record. So these were nice though, I like those. So this is the living room. This is actually a pull-out bed, and then it's a studio, like converted. So it has this bed back here, this little alcove and some nice shelving. But what was really nice about this apartment was, turn on the light, all this storage, and there's like a washing machine, storage, like a little closet back here. I mean, it's super narrow, but here I go. Oh my God. Bathroom, it's a little dirty. Shower, just drying some sheets. My bed's not made very well, so ignore that. Little living dining room area. This big ass TV, which stopped working. Lots of storage, which is great. My new place doesn't have as much storage, so I don't know what I'm gonna do because, as you can see, Capricorns don't pack light anywhere they go. Okay, into the kitchen. It came with this Nespresso machine. It came with this boiler, microwave. It comes fully equipped, little fridge with a freezer, more storage, pots and pans. Cute little courtyard. Gets nice sun in the morning. Super cute. My friend Rebecca is here to help me move. She's also moving.
Oh no.
We're struggling together. Housing in Paris is hard. Do you have anything to say to my fans and followers?
I have absolutely nothing to say. You told me I wouldn't have to look at the camera.
Okay. Hi. Me and my emotional support water bottle are on our way. Hey guys, welcome to the floor. I'm at my new apartment. I just moved in this morning. I'm starving. I went to Monoprix and I got some raspberries and this salmon bowl. And yeah, I just thought I'd have a little chit chat about life, Paris life. I just reached another Paris milestone in that this is my first real apartment in Paris. Everywhere else I've been staying has been just a sublease or temporary or through some temporary agency. And so, yeah, I mean, I gotta be honest, it's not my ideal spot. I really was a little bit disappointed, and I actually didn't even see this place before I moved in because I've been too busy working. I work like 8:30 to like 7 or 8ish every single day. So I haven't had much time to see apartments. And so when I got approved for one, after getting rejected by several, I really kind of jumped on it. And honestly, it has a lot of great stuff. It's a studio. I don't really want to show you the bed, but maybe I will. That's my bed, which has clothes all over it because I'm unpacking. Please forgive me. Studio with a canopy lit, which is it's like a pull-out bed, which sucks, obviously, and please excuse the mess behind me. But I'm gonna get used to it, you know. I'm just a girl, and hopefully it won't be. Wow, this was stuck in my head. Hopefully it'll be great. But this place is a really nice neighborhood. I mean, it's so bougie over here, which is really not my style, but now I don't have to take the train anymore to work, which silver linings. So I'm happy about that. And apologies for the audio. I don't have my mic on just because I'm sitting down and chatting with you guys. But yeah, I'm really proud of myself because putting together the apartment dossier, meeting with, you know, talking to agents and meeting with owners and things like that, landlords, etc., all in French, putting together a really comprehensive dossier after not even having 3 full months of financial history in France was quite difficult. I found a guarantor, which you really need in France, which I tried not to have one because I had to pay like $800 for the year just to rent this place to that place. So like that kind of sucks, but oh my god, this sauce is like barely coming out. But yes, I'm grateful that I found a place, that I have a roof over my head, that I don't have to move like every freaking 2 months now. I'm just here in a spot and I'll be here until I don't work at my company anymore. So I'll be unpacking. Got my keys, got my name on a lease. It's not really my dream apartment. Actually, I kind of hate it. But it's close to the office and they approved me even though I'm freelance, so, and I didn't have much time to look. I didn't have as much time to look as I would have wanted. It's fine, it's a year lease, it's furnished, the furniture's ugly, these cannot come off the wall, I hate them. This lamp, no, also. It's fine, I'll do it for a year, I'll get settled in France, and then I'll find my dream apartment. It's okay, I'll be okay. I'm thankful to have an apartment. I'm just a little upset that I don't really like it because I spent 2 months looking and this was the best I could do. Bon, c'est comme ça, parfois la vie. Bon, I'll talk to you guys later. I got some moving in to do. Bisous.